A very warm good morning to one and all present over here. I Gaurangi, I Kavita, Class 11 Science. A gracious and enthusiastic welcome to our Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, worthy teachers, participants and dear students. Today, we are gathered here to witness a celebration of language, learning and logic, the Spalatin competition. Words are the building block of a language. The more words we know, the more powerfully we can express our thoughts and ideas. This competition isn't just about spelling correctly, it's all about presence of mind, focus and confidence. Our participants have prepared enthusiastically and are ready to showcase their talent. So let's get ready to cheer them up as they spell their way to success. Now, it's time to meet our bright and talented contestants from the sub-juniors category. We have the participants of class first. From Achievers House, we have Akriti Joshi. From Blazers House, we have Adarsh Sahu. From Challengers House, we have Om Yadav. Shivansh Pandey from the Terminus House. Each of them stands here today as a symbol of dedication, courage and hard work. Dear participants, remember, every great achievement begins with the decision to try. Don't let the fear of making mistakes hold you back. Instead, let your confidence and preparation lead the way. Whether you win or not, standing here itself makes you a champion of courage and learning. As the famous quote says, an expert in anything was once a beginner. So give your best and make your houses proud. Let's give all our participants one more round of applause to boost their spirits. Before we begin this exciting battle of words, let me take a moment to explain the rules of the competition clearly. Rule number 1. Each participant will be given a word to spell aloud. Please listen carefully and pronounce the word clearly before spelling it out. You will be given 10 seconds to think and spell your word. Make sure to spell it slowly, confidently and correctly. Rule number 3. Every correct spelling will earn the participant 10 points and -5 for the incorrect one. Rule number 4. Only for the round 1, the past question will earn +5 and -1 for the incorrect one. A panel of judges is here to ensure that the rules are followed and to verify the spellings carefully. Participants remember, stay calm, focus on each letter and verify the spellings. After all, accuracy is more important than speed. Now, that we all know the rules, let's begin the Spalathon challenge with energy, excitement and enthusiasm. Round 1 is the warm-up round. Let's start with some simple yet interesting words to warm up. For Achievers House, your first word is belong.
Belong.
Fantastic, that's the correct answer. Second word for the Blazers House is yawn.
Y-A-W-N.
Bravo, that's the correct answer. The third word for Challengers House is flow.
F-L-O-W.
That's the correct answer. Third word for the Determinus House is molding.
H-O-L-D-I-N-G.
That's the correct answer. Excellent effort, everyone. What an amazing start. Now, it's time for the results of round 1. Achievers House got 50 points. Blazers House got 50 points. Challengers House got -10 and Determiners House got 50 points. Let's move on to the round 2, the rapid fire round. Now it's time to raise the level. This round is going to test your accuracy, focus and calmness under pressure.
In this round, the questions will be asked one after another and you have to answer it under the time lapse of 5 seconds and no questions will be passed to another houses like the previous round. For Achievers House, your first word is rhyme.
R-I-N-E.
Oh no, that's the incorrect answer. Your second word is carry.
C-A-R-R-Y.
That's the correct answer. Your third word is basket.
B-A-S-K-E-T.
That's the correct answer.
Now it's time for the Blazers House. First word for the Blazers House is scratch.
S-C-R-A-T-C-H H-I-N-G.
That's an incorrect answer. Second word for the Blazers house is shook.
S-H-O-O-K.
That's the correct answer.
Now, it's time of Challenger's house. Your first word is uniform.
U-N-E-F-E-R.
It's an incorrect answer. Your second word is butterfly.
B-R-T-E-F-L-Y.
It's an incorrect answer.
Now it's time for the determiner's house. Your first word is squirrel.
S-Q-U-I-L-N.
That's an incorrect answer. Your second word is aeroplane.
A-L-A.
That's an incorrect answer. And now, the much awaited moment is here. Our judges have evaluated each response carefully. Achiever's house got 70 points. Blazer's house got 60 points. Challenger's house got minus 35 and Determiner's house got 65. Our judge and the house that takes home the title of Spalathon champion is Achiever's house. Round 1 is the warm-up round. Let's start with some simple yet interesting words to warm up. First word for the Blazers house is shouted.
S-H-O-U-T-E-D.
Fantabulous, that's the correct answer. Second word for Achiever's house is seek.
S-E-E-K.
Fantabulous, that's the correct answer.
Now, second word for Challenger's house is quiet.
Q-U-I-E-T.
Well done, it's a correct answer. Fifth word for Determiner's house is paddy.
P-E-D-A-L-S.
Well tried, but it's an incorrect answer. Now, the much awaited moment is here. Our judges have evaluated each response carefully, and the results are as follows.
Achiever's house got 95 points. Blazers got 75 points. Challengers got 30 points. And Determiners got minus 20 points.
And the house that takes home the title of Spalathon champion is Achiever's house. Congratulations to our winners.
Now, it's time to meet our bright and talented contestants from the sub-juniors category. We have the participants of class 3rd. From Achievers, we have Zoha Ansari. From Blazers, we have Priyanshi. From Challengers, we have Rishant Tamta. And from Determiners, we have Alishba Fatima. Achievers House, your first word is pour.
P-O-U-R.
Well done, it's a correct answer.
Second word for the Blazers house is neighbor.
N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R.
Marvelous, that's the correct answer.
Now, third word for challengers is mountains.
M-O-U-T-E-N.
Good spirit, that's what matters, but it's an incorrect answer.
Fourth word for Determiner's house is shopkeeper.
S-H-O-P-K-E-E-P-E-R.
Bravo, that's the correct answer. Now it's time for the results of round 1. Achiever's house got 50 points, Blazer's house got 35 points, Challenger's house got minus 25 and Determiner's house got 50 points. Now let's move on to round 2, rapid fire round.
For Achievers House, your word is confidently.
C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T-L-Y.
Bravo, it's a correct answer. Your second word is marble.
M-A-R-B-L-E.
So close, but it's an incorrect answer.
Moving on to Blazer's house. Your first word is bridge.
BRIDGE.
That's the correct answer. Good job. Moving on to Challenger's house. Your first word is naughty.
NOTE.
That's an incorrect answer. Now moving to Determiner's house. Your first word is character.
CORRECTER.
It's a correct answer. Your second word is create.
CREATE.
That's also a correct answer. Your fourth word is gathered.
GATHERED.
Bravo, it's also a correct answer. And now, the much awaited moment is here. Our judges have evaluated each response carefully and the results are as follows. Achiever's house got 70 points, Blazer's house got 45 points, Challenger's house got -50 and Determiner's house got 100 points. And the house that takes home the title of Spalathon champion is Determiner's house. Now, it's time to meet our bright and talented contestants. From the sub-juniors category, we have participants of class 4th. From Achievers, we have Ryan. From Blazers, we have Ishani Pathak. From Challengers, we have Angita Maurya. And from Determiners, we have Gadadish. First word, Blazers house is shining.
SHINING.
It's a correct answer. Second word for the Challenger's house is magician.
MAGICIAN.
Bravo, that's the correct answer. Second word for Determiner's house is amazement.
AMAGNENT.
You were so close, but it's an incorrect answer. Fourth word for the Achiever's house is clothes.
CLOTHES.
Marvelous, that's the correct answer. And now, it's time for the results of round 1. Achiever's house got 10 points, Blazer's house got 45 points, Challenger's house got 9 points and Determiner's house got 20 points. Moving on to round 2, the rapid fire round. For Achievers, your second word is rhyming.
RAMING.
Oh no, it's an incorrect answer. You're moving to Blazer's house, your first word is delicious.
DELICIOUS.
Well done, it's a correct answer. Your second word is sail.
SAIL.
It's a correct answer. Your third word is stump.
STUMP.
Bravo, it's a correct answer. Your Avengers is hardly.
HARDLY.
Very good, it's a correct answer. Your second word is passengers.
PASSENGERS.
Well done, it's also a correct answer. Now moving to determiners. Your first word is earliest.
EARLISTY.
It's an incorrect answer. Your second word is feather.
FEATHER.
Well done, it's a correct answer. And now, the much awaited moment is here. Our judges have evaluated each response carefully and the results are as follows. Achiever's house got -5, Blazer's house got 95 and Challenger's house got 29, Determiner's house got 25. And the house that takes home the title of Spalathon champion is Blazer's house. Congratulations to our winners.
You like the video, like, share and subscribe our channel.